Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $1.53 less. Automotive diesel will cost $1.19 less, and ultra-low sulfur diesel is down $1.06. The price of kerosene will decrease by $1.71. Propane is down 4 cents, while butane will increase by 23 cents. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in December lost $2.18 to settle at $37.39 per barrel. That's the lowest front-month contract finish since October 2. Shareholders gave Radio Jamaica the approval it needed to raise new capital to finance its projects. The approval came at the company's annual general meeting today. The RJR Gleno Group announced major plans to digitize various segments of its operations today, including what CEO Gary Allen termed a digital-first print product. But before the group can realize those goals, certain restrictive measures needed to be changed. Among them, a resolution to increase the share capital of the group.
When you are in tough times and you're looking at opportunities for how it is that you manage your business, you want to have the most agility, you want to have the greatest level of freedom to take advantage of the opportunities as they arise. The company has no unissued float of ordinary shares at this time, so that deprives us from the kind of agility that we would want to have. We cannot issue bonus shares. We can't effect stock splits at this point without having to come back to shareholders each time we want to do that. And we can't look at some of the acquisitions that we are talking about of startups using shares, which would be one of the benefits.
Shareholders also gave the media entity, which is the parent company of Television Jamaica, approval to increase the shareholder limit. Another initiative which Mr. Allen says will position the group to secure well-needed capital.
This is something that has served in the past to bolster the independence of the organization in terms of its ownership and control and its editorial focus. But it has also caused a damper on the ability of the company to raise capital, because entities cannot invest as they would, and in a significant component of it, consolidate their investments. You can consolidate up to 20% of your investment in a company to another entity that you are involved with as a parent entity.
But acquiring shareholder approval is only the first hurdle. The group also needs the government to adjust its licenses to allow for the increase in the limit of ownership in the company. In the meantime, Chief Operating Officer Christopher Barnes highlighted that the company has been actively investing in other digital startups, which is a part of the group's strategic mandate to promote and facilitate digitization across various platforms. The Radio Jamaica shareholders also gave approval for the company to convene hybrid meetings going forward. That is, meetings where some members participate virtually by way of the internet. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $146.43. The Canadian dollar sold for $111.79. The pound is going for $192.08, while the euro closed at $176.46. The JSE index lost 1,333 points today, and the junior market index is down 29 points. Among the winners were Palace Amusement, Epley 8.25%, Caribbean Cream, Jetcon Corporation, and Margaritaville Turks. On the losing side were Main Event, Access Financial Services, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, ISP Finance Services, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. That's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.